Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can very easily and quickly change the color of the iPhone screen. Friends, please do not forget to put likes under this video, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel and write your comments. And let's get down to the topic. Now I will show you everything step by step. I also want to tell you that such an option as changing the screen color can help you diversify the appearance of your iPhone screen. If you're a little bit bored with the look of your icons or the look of your wallpaper, then changing the screen color can help you diversify and also stand out in that way. So, to do that, please open up the settings on your iPhone and then scroll down a little bit and then click on Additional. After which you will need to find the display option and text size. Scroll down and here you need to find the classic invert feature. You need to turn that on. That's how it works. As you can see, instantly completely changes the appearance of the screen on your iPhone. You can also go back to the desktop screen and here you can see that all the icons and in general, the whole look of your screen is now changed and it's brighter. Also, you can go to the color filter here and you can activate it by clicking on this button here. And then you can choose the color that you like. There are several color filters here. Choose the one that you like. And that way you can look at the labels and icons on your screen and notice that difference. Also, folks, you can choose the saturation. Just like this. And as you can see, you will now have both the shortcuts and the appearance of the full menu of your iPhone changed. And so the complete appearance of your icons, your menu, and also your screen will be different from everyone else. So you will be able to change the color of the screen on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to put likes, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Take care, friends.